everybody, MDpolo here at Range USA in Carmel, Indiana. A little noisy range. I got a Glock 43 that is now a 43L, and it turned this one into a 43X. Just for fun, let's see how we do. It's probably going to get noisier, but after shooting it, I'm going to show you the target, and then just go straight to the tabletop. First, the 43L, the bottom right target. Make sure I'm on camera. There we go. Bottom left target, first shots today. Ah, blew that one. 5 shots with a 43L, and that turned this one into a 43X. Not entirely fair. This one doesn't have a red dot, but we'll see. That one left. That one low. I don't know where that one went. The second one sucked, but let me turn you around anyway. Just for fun. I could quote Austin Powers, but not going to. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the 43L Sealy optic on it, Cat Pro, and this one into a 43X. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who knows where which one went? All right, let's go to the tabletop and just take a quick look, just for fun. That was smart. Woke me up. All right, I'm back from the range. It was a short range session, and this hopefully is going to be a short video. It's perhaps something most of you have seen. Maybe some of you haven't seen it or haven't thought about it. But Glock, even though it's not a modular system, there are some modularity things that you can do with them, both guns being from the factory or with other guns that are 100% factory stock. So you don't have to modify your guns, you don't have to get into aftermarket parts, you can just move things around if you have 2 factory Glocks. All right? So in this case, we got the Glock 48 and the Glock 43. And here, you've got the grip module of the 43 with a slide of the 48. And vice versa, you've got the grip module of the 48 with a slide of the 43. And they fit perfectly fine. As you saw on the range, they work perfectly fine. Now, you could say that I was more accurate, and I felt more accurate with the 43. Let's call it the 43L. I felt more accurate with this. Could very well be, and some may say, that it's because it's got an optic on it, a red dot, and this does not. It just simply has night sights. So taking a quick look, and I know I said that they were already checked, and they were, but here you got the slide of the 48 and the small grip of the 43. So regular 43 mag, you got 6 plus 1. And if you got a +1 base plate, of course, you would have 7 plus 1. But this is where it is, and this is how it fits on my medium-sized hand. So easy to conceal, and you got the longer sight radius, and it does matter if you're not having a red dot. If you have a red dot on it, then the long slide pretty much negates itself. Okay, it's got tall sights, blacked out sights, and I liked shooting it. So here's the Glock 42L. And now, here we got, in essence, just a Glock 43X. All right? And it works perfectly fine. You saw it at the range. Love the Apex triggers. Absolutely love them. And it's got true glow night sights, Talon grips. So very nice. And 10 plus 1 is just a factory 48 mag. You can carry it with shield arms mags if that's your thing. I have several of them. I just carry with original Glock mags when I'm concealed carrying a gun. Okay, so Glock 43X in essence, and Glock 43L. What are your thoughts on these? Have you tried switching things around and being modular with your Glocks? You got, the 47, 49 that you can do that with, and actually they were designed for that from the factory. But I just wanted to put this quick video out, ask you if you've done this before. What are your thoughts on this? Have you shot or tried to carry? I'm trying to mess with the white balance here a little bit. Try to carry the 43L, and what are your thoughts on this? We all know, we've all seen the 43X, but having these two pistols, you can flip them around. All right, that's all I got for you today. So let me know in your comment sections what your thoughts are. And as always, please remember that I upload videos every Friday morning and when I can on Wednesday mornings as well. You can find me on Instagram, on Twitter, on Rumble, and of course, here on YouTube, my main channel. Thank you very much for stopping by. I look forward to your comments. And until the next time, God bless.